Hey guys, Jim Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram here in Piqua, Ohio. Today we got a brand new arrival of dealership and a very first for our dealership and for Rocky Ridge as a whole. We took a 2019 Jeep Wrangler 4-door and we did a fade paint on it. You know, we're used to doing the lift kits on the front bumpers, all the off-road packages, but we've never faded a Jeep yet. We took the time this time with some really cool ideas, and we decided to fade this down from a black to a blue, a dark blue on the bottom, all the way around the vehicle. So not just on the sides, but also on the front too. You'll hopefully be able to see that in the video as we get going. And again, this is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler 4-door. Sent out to Rocky Ridge, have what they call the K2 package put on it. We'll walk around here, go over some features on it. It's the front bumper here. As you can see, it's aftermarket. It's painted and it's a black powder coat. Actually, it's not actually a paint. So it's got an upgraded front bumper, and in that bumper you got your really nice LED light bar that's operated from the inside off one of the auxiliary switches. And then right under that you got the 10,000-pound synthetic rope winch, and the hook on that is right behind the license plate cover, so it's kind of hidden, out of sight, out of mind, but they're very easy to access if need be when you're off-roading. Fog lights underneath the winch on each side, as you can see there. Moving on to the side of this vehicle, on this particular unit, it does have Rocky Ridge's custom 20-inch rim, and it's wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tire. This tire is really nice for on-road driving and for off-road driving. It can definitely handle the off-road capability, but there when you're on road, they are not real noisy. They're very pleasant to drive around town in. Onto the back of the vehicle, we do have a custom exhaust tip put on here to match the rear bumper. And again, the rear bumper on this is a powder coated bumper also, and it does have backup sensors. 4 of them, 2 on each side of the rear bumper. And as you can see, we opted from the factory to put a factory painted black hardtop on this particular unit. So it is factory all the way up top, basically to just under the window line, and then it fades down into the blue real nicely over the fender flares and all the way down to the bottom here. As you can see, we have real nice step-up boards there. Those are custom also. Real meaty. Don't have to worry about them when you're off-roading. This particular Jeep is equipped with a black leather seat from the factory. With the black leather seating, you also do get power seats, power heated seats, not power seats. So they're heated seats, and also a heated steering wheel. This particular one does have hill descent on it, dual climate controls, so you can set your temper for him or her, passenger side or driver's side. And as you can see, it does have the navigation 8.4-inch touchscreen radio on here. With the touchscreen radio, you also do get the Sirius XM radio, obviously your AM, FM, your media controls. You could also operate your climate control from the screen also, with a lot of apps to operate the vehicle, travel link, Wi-Fi hotspot this particular unit does have. So it's got a lot of apps throughout here that can be utilized as you're going down the road. You can also hook or pair your phone up to this vehicle, so you can sit your phone down, forget it. You can answer it from the steering wheel, as you can see on the left-hand side right here. And then also on the right-hand side, you do have your cruise control settings where you can set your cruise. Above the driver's seat here, you do have your home links buttons there, so you can program your garage door openers. No longer have to really carry them around anymore. They're not a needed feature. And like I said, outside, this does have a 3-piece hardtop. As you can see here, the driver's side and the passenger side, when you get a 3-piece hardtop, the driver's side and the passenger side of the front of the vehicle, they come off separately. It's definitely a one-person job. You don't need 2 people. They're very light, probably weigh 20-25 pounds a piece, so they're very easy to take out, and you could leave the back of the hardtop on, or there again, you're more than welcome to take it off. It just takes an additional person usually at least when I'm doing it, to get it off successfully. For the back of the vehicle, as you can see, it is wrapped in a black leather, just like it is the front. Nothing real fancy, plenty of leg room. I'm 6 foot tall, I can sit back there very comfortably. It does have your vents back here for your rear AC and heat. And then right under that, it has your USB and also your windows, your window control, so you can put your rear windows up and down. And then underneath at the bottom, you do have your 110 AC plug. In this particular vehicle, it does have the rubber floor mats throughout in the back and also in the 2 front seats of this particular Jeep. And this particular Jeep, it has the upgraded Alpine radio system in it. So with that upgraded Alpine radio system in, you do get the rear amp, as you can see there. So it is a 9-speaker Alpine radio in this vehicle, which makes it extremely awesome when you're going down the road and you really want to jam out. Again, this is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler 4-door with a bunch of extras from Rocky Ridge. This is the K2 package. 3.5-inch lift, 20-inch rims, really nice Mickey Thompson ATZ Baja tire on it, front and rear upgraded bumpers. They've both been powder coated, 10,000-pound synthetic rope winch on the front of this vehicle, a nice LED light bar for when you're off-road and need that extra visibility, and just a bunch of extras. One of a kind, first so far to our fleet into Rocky Ridges, with the full fade on the Jeep Wrangler. And again, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram here in Piqua, Ohio. We are one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers in the country, and of course, like always, we are the cheapest in the country, and we do ship nationwide. So keep that in mind, guys. So if you're in California, we're located in Ohio. We have no problem getting it out there. We can either put it on a truck or we can actually have it driven to your front door. And again, Jim Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Throw a comment underneath there of the things you'd like to see out of us or out of our Jeep builds. Some additional features that maybe we don't have on a Jeep that you'd like to see. We love comments like that. Also, please hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of all of our new and upcoming videos.